That's mileage shifter. So it's a no-no. I won't be able to move the shifter. Guess what? This is what I'm gonna use. Fits perfectly. You know, what else could I ask for? Hey, it's OEM. Nice. So now I'm going to bend it. So I have to make sure everything is straight. I think I messed up. I should have bent it the other way. Yeah, I should have bent it this way. But that's no biggie. I can always. Let me see. Don't want to go too much. Should be a little more. A little bit more. Okay. Alright. So I just need to cut this. Got a piece right here, just for support. I got all the pieces of the puzzle here, and sorry I didn't show much of when I doing all that cutting and drilling some holes and everything, but you know, it's like I didn't even bother videotaping it and everything. It's just taking too much time. Anyway, this is what I have going on, and this is the original OEM automatic shifter for the bottom part, and this will work pretty good. It's very light compared to what I have going earlier. So what I'm gonna do is I am going to weld these three pieces here like so, and then this one will be right on the side. It will be on the side like that. Yeah, it'll be something like that. And that's for the cables. And as far as on the base, I'm gonna spot weld. Well, I'm gonna weld this assembly onto here like that. And those two mounting nuts, it's enough to hold it. Or maybe later on, maybe I'll put another one here. But I'll see how it feels like. And as far as this one, inside that car, there's plenty of clearances. I still have about a quarter of an inch from the top of this. So I'm gonna weld them together. Again, guys, I'm not a welder. All right.
That's the only good weld I have. He looks pretty good. Alright, let's see. Alright, done.
It's not the best weld in the world, but it will do just fine. It's gonna be hidden anyway, and I'm going to paint this, and yeah, you would not see this anyway. Well, I would not see it. Oh, well, before I paint it, I'm gonna still have to drill some holes in here on these two and put some threads on them. The first two forward side, that's already got one, and I'm gonna open this up so I'll be able to pass the or insert the cable. Alright, next up we'll be in the car. Just got the bracket painted. I didn't even bother opening this side, you know, so you can slide the cable. But that's okay. You can always just insert. It will be that's what's gonna happen. It's not just a slip through. I'm just afraid that you know, it might flex so much. That's why I didn't bother cut it. So now I'm gonna work on the cables. I went underneath and I saw there's a hole in there, which is for, I think it's for an O2 sensor. Right there. And this one I'm not even gonna bother removing. I just put some plug and I'm gonna fill this up with some silicone. Yeah, not today. So I'm gonna drill a hole in there. Hopefully nothing is in the way. I think the wiring, I need to get that out of the way. That's for I think SRS. Yeah. Okay, paint is all dried up, so I'm gonna put it all together. And remember this one, if you ever get one of these, so it's your choice. It's either to use the long ones or the shorts. It's just to give you the tension. Last time I did this, be very careful because sometimes this will not sit squarely and you would have a gap. So just kind of pay attention to it. Okay. And hopefully I can put this on without any I kind of messed up one of the bolts, so I have to go to Home Depot. Hey, how come that doesn't have the some grease on there? Wonder if should I put one? See how the spring is crooked? So that's something that you have to watch for when you put this thing together. Or that is something that I have to watch for. It's either, let's see if I get I kind of messed up one of the bolt. See, the thread got pulled out, and so I'm only working on just the two. Okay. I have a gap on my left side. It's because of the I don't have it a bolt, but I'm gonna go to Home Depot. Yeah, you can see the spring right there. So just pay attention to it. All right. It looks pretty good, huh? So now I'm gonna put it here. I didn't anticipate that. But no biggie. I am still able to put the nut. Yeah, those two is enough to hold this in place. Wow. See what I mean? Right here, right this area. See? There. There's plenty of a gap. Just got back from Home Depot and got the screws, and here's the part number 1032nd. It's a little bit shorter. This is the one that's no good. Strip the thread. Found out that the bolt is too long and it's pushing the plate. It's creating to have a gap on the head of this bolt. Yeah, I just noticed that. So and I went and got the a little bit shorter. Right there. See the difference. And I already got the one screw on there. Let's see if this one. Yeah, it's a good thing I noticed that. Probably would not even do anything, but still. Cool. Why all of a sudden it's so tight? Yeah, it wasn't like that before earlier. I think that's is it touching? No. All right. Cool. Okay. Good. I'll put some RTV on here on the hole. That should be that should protect it from the element. Now let's try it with the cables. Now here it is with the cable. Yeah, well, it'll be something like that. That's Miley's shifter.